Fast coverage, flawless results. The Rutlands Airless paint sprayer gets the job done up to 15 times faster than traditional methods. Spraying up to 5 square meters per minute, it's ideal for both professional use and home renovations. Designed for uninterrupted workflow, the sprayer draws paint directly from the container. No decanting, no refilling. Simply drop in the feed tube, prime the pump, and start spraying. All controls are centrally positioned and clearly marked, keeping operations simple from startup through to clean down. High-pressure airless technology pumps and atomizes paint without the use of air, delivering smooth, streak-free coverage on flat or textured surfaces. With adjustable pressure up to 200 bar, it handles everything from fine finishes and stains to primers, latex, and exterior paints. The pump cycles automatically on demand, maintaining constant pressure throughout use. The ergonomic stainless steel spray gun is fitted with a 517 reversible spray tip, producing a 250mm wide feathered spray pattern for fast, controlled coverage. Switch between horizontal and vertical spray patterns to suit walls, ceilings, or doors, and the tip is reversible, allowing clogs to be cleared quickly with a simple twist. While an integrated handle filter removes contaminants before they leave the gun. A 7.5-meter high-pressure hose wraps neatly around the trolley, giving you the reach to cover large areas and multi-story projects with ease. From first coat to final finish, the Rutlands Airless paint sprayer delivers professional results, job after job.